So hello everyone, today we're gonna see how we can map the drums in our Logic Pro. So let's start. We're gonna open the Logic Pro first and then create a new file. And so in this window we're gonna create a new software instrument with empty channel strip, and then we need to load our virtual drum instrument. So you have to go to the inspector and then go to your instrument and load a virtual drum wherever it is. So I have it in contact 7. It is get good drum. So here are multiple options of the outputs, so I'm not gonna choose any of this. I'm gonna go to the stereo. Okay, so here are the drums. This is the contact player window, and we're gonna choose the One Kid Wonder Modern Fusion one. Okay, so this is the drum. So we're gonna set it to master EQ, and then we're gonna go to the settings. So here are all the notes which we need to copy to map our drums to the Logic Pro. So let's change the view and make it 75% so it can fit in the Logic Pro window. So keep this on the left side, and we're gonna need to open the Logic environment so we can map all the notes. So let's press Command and 0. So here is the Logic environment in this window. Let's make it a little bit smaller so we can fit it in here. Okay, so here we have already created a software instrument track, and then in this window we need to go to the new and then click on the mapped instrument. So here are all the notes which we need to replace with exactly the note in the Get Good Drums or any of your virtual drum instrument notes. So here are already pre-assigned names. We're gonna get rid of all these, and then we're gonna reset it to the default note names. Okay, here. So we're gonna go to the initialize, and we have to change it to the original note names. I mean pre-existing note names. So click here on names as notes. So done. Now we need to assign the names from here, from this window. So let's see. Okay, so all the kicks, snare, toms are here, and it has been assigned with specific notes. So we're gonna copy same names on same notes on this window of Logic Pro. So let's start from the kick. So kick hit is on C0. Okay, kick hit, this one is kick hit, and then we will go to the snare now. Snare hit is on D0. This is snare hit, and snare cross stick is on F sub 0. And this one is snare cross stick. and then we're gonna go to the toms. So we have 3 toms: tom 1, tom 2, tom 3 hit, and let's assign it here. Tom 1 hit is on A0, so this one is tom 1 hit, and on A sharp 0 is tom 2 hit, tom 2 hit. So let me complete the rest of these and I'll be back. So we are finally done with this. We have already assigned the names, and let's see. Okay, all of the names are here, and let's close this window and this as well. And so earlier we created a mapped instrument here by clicking in new and map instruments. After that there will be a icon of drum here, so we're gonna put it here, and we need to connect it to the software instrument track. So we gonna drag it from here and connect it to this software instrument track, and then click to the done remove. So okay, we are done, and then we're gonna drag this icon to our drag this to our track area. So when we click here and open our piano roll, we have all this assigned names. See, now you can create your drum track like this. You can edit in your piano roll. So let's hear this, how it sounds. Will it work or not? We'll check it out. So we have kick, and then snare hit, so snare cross stick, and tom 2, tom 3. I missed the tom 1. We can do it likewise, but and it's hi-hat tip tight, hi-hat is tight, hi-hat tip close, and hi-hat open 1, hi-hat open 2, hi-hat open 3, and this is hi-hat pedal. Similarly, here are the crash left hit, crash right left choke, and crash right hit, crash right choke. We have right bell, right bow. We have China hit, China choke, and we have splash hit and splash choke, and finally we have stack hit. So we missed the tom 1, right? So okay, we gotta fix this. We missed the tom 1. So let's go to the Logic environment window, pressing Command and 0. So click here to edit. We missed tom 1. Tom 1, where is tom? Okay, so let's see, where is the tom 1? Let's open a software instrument and go to the contact. So tom 1 is A0. A0, tom 1. Where is A0? So this should be tom 1, right? This should be tom 1, and this should be tom 2, and this might be tom 3. This is tom 1 hit, this is tom 2 hit, and this is tom 3 hit, tom 3 hit. So let's check it again. It should be right now. So tom 1 A0, tom 2 A sharp 0, and tom 3 B0. It's all right. So it's likewise tom 1, tom 2, tom 3. Okay, so we are done, and let's go to the piano roll again. So here are all the mapped notes. So kick, snare, cross. Okay, we have tom 1, tom 2, tom 3, and we have everything right here. So you can create your drum track here. You can edit your drum notes here. You can use it with pencils, so you can click wherever you want in the different part of drums. So kick is here, and snare is here, and kick, everything right here. You can click and do the editing. So it works like this. So that's all for today. We have learned how to map the drums in Logic Pro. You might have different virtual drums. I'm using particularly Get Good drums, so you can select your drum instrument here, and this is how it's done. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.